Hi everyone, this is Umair from Simple Tutorials, and today we will be discussing about how to turn on dark mode on Notion. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to donate to our channel. That will be much helpful and highly appreciated. Coming on to the video, first thing that you need to do in the dashboard or the main screen, head over to settings and members on the left side of your screen on your Notion application on PC. Then head over to appearance. Here basically will be residing the option to turn on the dark or light mode. So you are going to be toggling from light to dark, since we are going to be requiring that. Once you do that, enable dark mode, and you can see you can also do that on your cell phone device following the same exact routine, and that will get your dark mode enabled. So it is quite simple, no rocket science in here. I really hope you got to learn something new. If you did so, do not forget to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. That will be really appreciated. And also you can let us know in the comments below what else you want to see upcoming next on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.